FastPanel issue is the while SSL is not equipped. So while the SSL is not connected to the domain, the issue is showing the while saying this issue is from FastPanel. While you are showing this why I am saying this. Actually, while a new domain connected to this without SSL, and then it's showing this also this domain which connected with the platform. So easily solution is add SSL to this domain. Each solution. I have said this is somewhat not to me for this case, but he is not this he is not accessing the he is not being permission previously. This domain this is the no he is no on this. That's why I could not fix this domain. As we do permission, so it is the owner of the domain or also owner of the FastPanel access. That's we can easily the SSL and solve it easily to fast.